Hello guys and welcome to Top Foreign channel. Here is a payment that I got for absolutely free using a new search method on Google. But you will need a phone or computer and to get paid like this, and I want to show you how you can earn 500 for free by using this new method on Google. Please hit the like button and click the notification bell if you haven't already. Let's get started. As you can see, I've received a new PayPal payment. While I cannot guarantee the same results for you, following the steps in this video may lead to more, equal or slightly less earnings. However, I must emphasize that if you don't follow these exact steps, achieving such results will not be possible for you. Therefore, please watch the entire video carefully to ensure success. Here are the 3 steps you need to follow to earn 500 for free in 2023. During step 1, I'm going to reveal a new way to search for money that has made people thousands of dollars. Next, I'm going to reveal the platform you'll be paid for, and at step 3, I will show you the one site that will exponentially multiply your earnings. So let's move forward. The payout rates are going to be discussed here so you can see what they pay you. They're paying out anywhere from $10 a second to $12 a second via PayPal, Payoneer, and a bunch of other methods, and it's all around the world, so it works in any country. So the first thing we're going to do before going to the site that pays you out is we're gonna go to Google search. We're going to search for free YouTube automation courses, and I'll explain why we're looking for this in a moment. But once we've searched, we'll scroll down and there's actually a free YouTube automation course right here. Clicking on that will take us to this great YouTube Automation Ultimate course that will just take people through how to automate their YouTube channels. Basically, we will take advantage of this by downloading the URL to this basic course, copying that URL, and then coming over to this script right here that you will copy so that we can take advantage of it. It states that the Ultimate YouTube Automation course is a comprehensive course that will teach individuals how to automate their YouTube channel in an effort to maximize growth and efficiency. Basically, it gives a bit of background on automating YouTube channels, but at the bottom it says you can get started for free here, and that's where I paste the link to the free course. You might be wondering why we are doing this, so I'll show you in just a second. Now, what we're going to do is press the file button, alright. In addition, we're going to download the PDF document as well, and then upload it to this brand new site that pays for uploads, which is called UpFiles. This site pays out for uploads every Sunday, so this is actually our PDF document that we're going to take and upload to. The cool thing about this site is that they pay out weekly payouts every Sunday, and they pay out for uploading files. Here's what's cool about it is that we can go to the payout rates to find out exactly how much you'll make from uploading files to this site and then getting paid. They have a paper download program where you upload files, people download those files, and you get paid. Here's how we're going to get people to download your uploads so you can start making thousands of dollars. Here is the dashboard we are going to use, and you will need to click Upload File. You'll want to grab the YouTube Automation PDF that we created with a quick overview of getting started with YouTube automation, plus a link to a basic course, and that's what we're going to do. So what we're going to do is to press Upload File, and I would title the document YouTube Automation Free. This video automation course should be right there on your dashboard if you upload it from your computer or smartphone, and then click on the Add File button. Now if you return to the dashboard, as you can see, the name of the file is YouTube Automation, size 25 kilobytes, and what we are going to do is copy the link right here. Whenever someone downloads our YouTube automation file from server 1, we are going to make money. This site will pay us out for anyone who clicks on this link and downloads it. So where are we going to share this file so that it gets hundreds of thousands of downloads? Why would this file be useful? That's why I chose YouTube automation. As one of the most popular topics on the internet right now, people are learning how to automate your YouTube channel, and they are learning how to invest. So what we did was to create a very basic PDF for them that would be perfect for beginners as well as people looking to learn right now. We created that and uploaded it to this site so that people could download it and we could make money. We're going to walk you through our little link right here to answers.com. Answers.com. There are lots of people here with questions they have and they want answers, questions about business, technology, literature, math, and science, and I'll show you how many people visit this website each month. Just last month, there were 9.84 million visitors, and the previous month there were 7.79 million visitors. This is literally a number of tens of millions of people joining every month. It asks questions and gets answers every single month, every single hour, all day long. So what I did was I did a search over here on how to grow your YouTube channel, and this question came up with only one answer and only one answer. So we have literally all of these questions. Pressing the back button will show you how many people asked how to automate my YouTube channel. As you can see right here, 151 people have asked for advice on making professional videos, but none of them have received any answers, so you literally have all of these people waiting for a good answer. Alternatively, if you are the first person to answer a question on this site, you could be the first one to do so. In this case, you'll say, hey, here is a free PDF I made for you on how to get started with YouTube automation. So click here to download my free PDF. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to take your link from your dashboard in the file manager and click this link. You will post it as a response to this question and you will be the first one. People will surely click and download it, which means you can get hundreds or even thousands of clicks on your link every day. I look forward to seeing you there. Take care.